7 Cornerstones Principles of Profitable Crypto Trading. Cryptocurrency is a new and exciting form of investment that has taken the world by storm in recent years. With its unique features and potential for massive growth, it's no wonder that more and more people are turning to crypto investing. In this video, I will provide you with my 7 cornerstones to profitable cryptocurrency trading that will help you get started on your crypto investing journey. One of the greatest benefits of cryptocurrency is that it allows for peer-to-peer transactions, without the need for a third party or middleman. This means that you can exchange value directly with someone else, without having to go through a bank or other financial institution. This makes transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. Another advantage of cryptocurrency is that it offers the potential for high returns. While investing in cryptocurrency can be risky, many investors have seen significant returns on their investments. This is because the value of cryptocurrencies is largely driven by supply and demand, and as more people invest in them, the demand for them increases, which can drive up their value. Volatility in the crypto market refers to the rapid changes in the value of cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional financial assets, cryptocurrency is not backed by a central authority or government, making it inherently more susceptible to price fluctuations. In fact, many investors view cryptocurrency volatility as a defining feature of this asset class, with large price swings providing opportunities for both profits and losses. In spite of the fact that volatility creates opportunity, volatility is a concept that you need to fully understand. Cryptocurrency volatility is driven by a number of underlying factors, including: Number 1, market sentiment. The overall sentiment of investors and traders can have a significant impact on the price of cryptocurrency. A negative market sentiment, for example, can lead to a rapid drop in price, while a positive sentiment can result in a corresponding increase. Number 2, regulatory changes. Cryptocurrency is a highly regulated asset class, with governments around the world grappling with how best to manage this new form of currency. Any changes to existing regulations or the introduction of new rules can have a profound impact on the value of cryptocurrency. Number 3, technical issues. Cryptocurrency relies on complex algorithms and technology to function, making it vulnerable to technical problems. Any significant disruptions to the underlying technology can cause major price swings. Number 4, limited liquidity. The crypto market is still relatively small compared to more established financial markets, with limited liquidity. This can result in rapid price changes as investors buy and sell large amounts of cryptocurrency. The volatility of the crypto market has a number of important impacts, both positive and negative. On the one hand, it provides opportunities for profit, with some investors able to capitalize on short-term price swings to make significant returns. On the other hand, the rapid price changes can also lead to significant losses, particularly for those who are not well versed in the intricacies of cryptocurrency trading. One of the first steps that a new investor must make is choosing a crypto exchange. To someone who is new to crypto, this can be a daunting task. But it doesn't need to be as complex as it may seem at first. Crypto exchanges are simply the interface between you, the retail trader, and the blockchain. A crypto exchange or altcoin exchange is a necessity if you wish to trade cryptocurrencies today. While certain exchanges provide you with the most competitive speed or prices, others have specialized financial products. These online services work similarly to how a stockbroker works. Let me break choosing a reputable exchange simplify it by pointing out the qualities of a couple top exchange platforms. Although the cryptocurrency industry has its share of shady exchanges and fraudulent coins, Coinbase stands above the controversies and has risen to the top of our recommended list of reliable crypto exchanges. Coinbase provides its users with an easy-to-use exchange. As such, it helps lower the barrier to investment in the cryptocurrency markets. Coinbase provides insured wallets for traders and investors to store their investments. Besides, they offer insurance against hacking and data breaches. Your deposit is stored in an FDIC-insured bank, giving you added peace of mind and security. Coinbase is regulated by the OFAC. Regulatory bodies such as the OFAC provide governmental oversight to ensure that all transactions remain secure and are performed with integrity. Both the account setup and user interface are very convenient for new users who have just started. Coinbase has an intuitive trading interface that is easy to navigate yet holds advanced features that pro traders look for. Coinbase has outstanding customer service that is quick and knowledgeable. If you are new to crypto, you should seriously consider Coinbase. I will leave a link in the description that will give you access to exclusive discounts and promos. My second place recommendation when it comes to exchange platforms is the well-known exchange, Binance. Founded in 2017, the Binance Exchange started its operation by focusing on altcoin trading. Although it was banned in 2019 in the US, the company invested heavily in regulation compliance and returned as Binance US. Binance is the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange in terms of the number of crypto coins available. It stands to reason then that Binance is one of the top exchanges in terms of daily trade volume. You can deposit by using 12 different fiat currencies including the US dollar and euro. The charting abilities, intuitive features, and data that come along with your account are impressive. Binance has a very attractive fee structure that rewards your trade volume. The only reason I rate Binance as a second to Coinbase is simply that Coinbase has much faster and responsive customer service. However, I do still use Binance and I'm a very satisfied user. I'll leave you an exclusive link in the description so you can check out all they have to offer for yourself. Once you establish an account with a reputable exchange, you will need to have a digital wallet that will safely store your crypto coins. A crypto wallet is a software program that stores private and public keys, allowing users to send and receive digital currency, as well as view their balance. Crypto wallets come in different forms, including desktop, mobile, hardware, and web-based wallets. Each type of wallet has its own advantages and disadvantages, but it's important to choose the right wallet that suits your needs. Let's look at my top 3 recommendations. First, we have my favorite hardware wallet, the Ledger Nano S Plus. Ledger Nano S Plus is a hardware wallet that provides maximum security for your digital assets. This wallet stores your private keys on a secure chip, isolated from the internet, which makes it nearly impossible for hackers to access your funds. Ledger Nano S Plus also comes with a secure OLED display, allowing you to verify transactions and access your funds. Additionally, Ledger Nano S Plus is easy to use, and supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, making it a great choice for both new and experienced users. Second on my recommended list is the best wallet for beginners, and it's none other than Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet is a user-friendly crypto wallet that is perfect for beginners. Because it is a web-based wallet that is easy to set up and use, and it allows users to store, send, and receive a variety of cryptocurrencies. Coinbase Wallet is also a highly secure wallet, as it uses state-of-the-art security measures to protect users' funds. Additionally, Coinbase Wallet is insured, providing users with peace of mind in the event of a hack or loss. MetaMask finds its place on my list of top 3 wallets. MetaMask is a popular web-based wallet that is designed specifically for Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens. This wallet provides users with a user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to manage their Ethereum assets. MetaMask is also a highly secure wallet, as it uses state-of-the-art security measures to protect users' funds. Additionally, MetaMask is open source, allowing users to view the code and verify its security measures. Investing in cryptocurrency is a great way to generate wealth, but it can also be a risky venture if not done right. To mitigate the risk of loss, investors are advised to diversify their portfolios. Diversifying your crypto portfolio refers to investing in a variety of different cryptocurrencies to spread the risk across a wide range of assets. In this article, we will discuss why diversifying your crypto portfolio is important, and how you can do it effectively. Portfolio diversification is a strategy that involves investing in a variety of different assets in order to minimize the risk of loss. The idea is that if one investment performs poorly, the others may perform well, reducing the overall impact on your portfolio. This is particularly important in the world of cryptocurrency, where prices can be extremely volatile and unpredictable. There are several reasons why diversifying your crypto portfolio is important. One of the main reasons to diversify your crypto portfolio is to reduce the risk of loss. By spreading your investment across a variety of different cryptocurrencies, you minimize the risk of losing all your money if one particular investment performs poorly. Diversifying your portfolio also increases the chances of a good return on investment. This is because when you invest in multiple cryptocurrencies, you increase the likelihood that at least one of them will perform well, resulting in a good return on your investment. Another way to earn in the crypto space that is maybe a little less mainstream yet can be a reality is to make a career in the cryptocurrency world. With the rise of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, there has been a surge in demand for professionals in this field. As a result, there are now many exciting career opportunities in the crypto world. From blockchain developers to technical writers, there is a wide range of roles that offer a high-paying salary and the opportunity to work in a fast-paced and innovative industry. Are you looking for a way to invest in the crypto market without buying any crypto coins? If so, you're in luck. There are several ways to get exposure to the crypto market, and one of the easiest is by purchasing stock in a company with a financial stake in crypto. A company with a financial stake in crypto refers to a firm that has invested in, or has a direct involvement in, the crypto market. This can be through mining, holding crypto assets, or providing services to the crypto industry. By investing in these companies, you can indirectly gain exposure to the crypto market and potentially benefit from its growth. There are several companies that have a financial stake in crypto, and you can invest in them in various ways. One option is to purchase shares of these companies through a stockbroker. You can also invest in these companies through a mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF, that specializes in companies with a financial stake in crypto. Investing in a company with a financial stake in crypto has several advantages, including: Number 1. Diversification. By investing in a company with a financial stake in crypto, you can diversify your investment portfolio and potentially reduce your overall risk. Number 2. Access to expertise. These companies often have a team of experts who are knowledgeable about the crypto market and can make informed decisions on behalf of the company and its investors. Number 3. Potentially higher returns. The crypto market has the potential for high returns, and by investing in a company with a financial stake in crypto, you can potentially benefit from these returns without having to directly invest in the crypto market. Investing in a company with a financial stake in crypto can be a great way to gain exposure to the crypto market without directly investing in crypto coins. By considering the factors outlined above, you can choose a company with a financial stake in crypto. So there you have it. My 7 cornerstones of profitable crypto trading. Cheers to you and to your crypto success. For more free content, like and subscribe to the Crypto Changex channel.